Hello, I'm Silva Fox. Welcome to Rise of the Machines, where we journey from the wildest dreams of our past through the groundbreaking technologies of today to the awe-inspiring innovations of tomorrow. Join me as we uncover the evolution of artificial intelligence and robotics, a story of imagination, ingenuity, and endless possibility. Our journey begins long before silicon chips and circuit boards in the realm of myth and legend. Ancient cultures across the globe spun tales of enchanted statues and living machines, a concept that stirred the human imagination. In Greek mythology, Talos was a giant bronze automaton created to protect the island of Crete, while medieval legends spoke of the golem, a creature fashioned from clay and brought to life by mystic incantations. These early stories planted the seeds for what we now recognize as robotics and artificial intelligence, but the story took a dramatic turn in the modern era. In the mid-20th century, as the world emerged from the shadows of war, brilliant minds like Alan Turing began to lay the theoretical groundwork for what would become modern computing. Turing's concept of a universal machine that could simulate any process was revolutionary, setting the stage for computers that could one day think. Simultaneously, engineers were experimenting with mechanical automata, devices that could perform simple, repetitive tasks. In 1961, the Unimate became the first industrial robot, revolutionizing manufacturing by taking on dangerous tasks with unwavering precision. These pioneering developments not only advanced technology, but also reshaped our understanding of what machines could achieve. Today, the dreams of the past have materialized into technologies that are interwoven with our daily lives. Artificial intelligence is no longer confined to theoretical models or the pages of science fiction. It powers the devices we use every day. Our smartphones, smart speakers, and even our cars are all infused with AI that learns from our habits, anticipates our needs, and streamlines our lives. On the robotics front, we've witnessed an incredible evolution. In hospitals around the world, surgical robots perform complex procedures with a precision that minimizes risk and maximizes recovery. In manufacturing, robotic arms and automated systems now work tirelessly alongside human workers, ensuring efficiency and safety in environments that were once hazardous. Meanwhile, in our cities, autonomous vehicles and drones are not just experimental, they're actively reshaping logistics and urban mobility, offering safer, faster, and smarter solutions to everyday challenges. This blend of AI and robotics is transforming industries from healthcare to transportation, from entertainment to home automation. The present is a dynamic tableau where digital intelligence meets mechanical precision, creating a synergy that redefines what's possible in our world. As we cast our eyes to the horizon, the future of AI and robotics unfolds in dazzling and unexpected ways. Let's explore some bold predictions that could redefine our world in the coming decades. Hyper-personalized AI. Imagine an era where AI evolves into a true personal partner. Future digital assistants could learn from just a few interactions, developing an almost human-like intuition. They might anticipate your needs, manage your daily schedule with precision, curate personalized entertainment, and even offer health insights in real time, transforming every aspect of your life. Seamless human-robot collaboration. The robots of tomorrow won't just be tools, they'll be collaborators. Envision a workplace where robots work shoulder to shoulder with humans, handling tasks ranging from complex surgical procedures to creative endeavors like design and art. These adaptive, intelligent machines will not only execute commands, but also innovate and problem solve alongside us. Smart cities and ubiquitous connectivity. Picture cities that operate like finely tuned organisms, with AI orchestrating everything from traffic flow and energy consumption to public safety. Urban environments will become safer, more efficient, and incredibly responsive to our needs. By 2040, smart cities could revolutionize urban life, reducing waste and lowering emissions while enhancing the quality of life for millions, revolutionizing healthcare. The future of medicine promises extraordinary advancements, from precision robotic surgeries to AI-driven diagnostics and personalized treatment plans. Healthcare will become more proactive than reactive. Imagine continuous health monitoring by wearable devices and AI systems predicting potential health issues before they escalate, ushering in an era of preventive personalized care. Augmented reality and digital integration. As the boundaries between the digital and physical worlds blur, augmented and virtual reality will transform how we interact with our surroundings. Imagine digital overlays that provide real-time information about your environment, immersive educational experiences, and new forms of entertainment that merge the virtual with the tangible. Ethical frontiers and societal shifts. With every leap in technology comes an imperative to navigate ethical challenges. As AI and robotics grow more sophisticated, issues of privacy, fairness, and human rights will come to the forefront. The evolution of technology will force us to rethink what it means to be human and how we coexist with machines. Future innovations may even lead to a merging of human and machine, a convergence that raises profound questions about identity and autonomy. Each of these possibilities heralds not only unprecedented advancements, but also invites us to reflect on our responsibilities as architects of the future. The road ahead is as exhilarating as it is challenging, promising a future where the lines between human and machine continue to blur. From the ancient myths that sparked our imaginations, to the groundbreaking technologies transforming our lives today, and the breathtaking innovations awaiting us tomorrow, the evolution of AI and robotics is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress. I'm Silva Fox, and I invite you to join this ongoing conversation. What excites you most about the future of AI and robotics? How do you envision these technologies shaping our world? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey through time, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe for more deep dives into the fascinating evolution of technology. Until next time, stay curious, keep questioning, and never stop dreaming big.